Best animation. Oh.
This one was a good one.
This one is a good one. I think it's easy, to be honest with you.
Chainsaw Man.
You're ridiculous. I think, honestly, it goes to either Mob Psycho or AOT.
What?
Yeah. Maybe Demon Slayer. I don't really remember the Demon Slayer anime. Oh, that first. Actually, never mind. Either goes to Mob Psycho, Demon Slayer, or AOT. Just the left side.
You said Demon Slayer?
Yeah.
It is crazy.
That beginning intro scene with Akaza.
That's only one scene.
That's all I remember, to be honest with you.
I'd rather put Chainsaw Man over Demon Slayer in terms of animation.
It doesn't really matter because I think AOT is the winner.
I'm voting JJK.
I'm voting JJK.
What? AOT? AOT.
Honestly, AOT, like, it's very, like, in my opinion, it's very, like, standard AOT, like, animation.
It set the motherfucking standard. That's why.
It's good animation. It's just not like, oh my god, crazy, you know?
The only animation that's
was Jujutsu Kaisen. At times, Jujutsu Kaisen animation dropped heavy. That whole episode of Mappa
still nutting over, like, the fucking...
Because I don't think they were actually seeing it for face value of what it was. I think they were just seeing it because the fight was cool. I was just saying, I don't think the AOT animation actually dropped the whole episode.
Can you hover over the eye?